Everyday carry gear isn't just about convenience. The right tools can save time, solve problems, and keep you ready for whatever comes your way. In today's video, we're looking at 20 of the best EDC items that truly make a difference in daily life. These picks are compact, useful, and built to handle real situations. Whether you want smarter tools, better organization, or reliable backup options, this list has something that fits your routine. Without further ado, let's get started. At times, you just need faster access to your cards without slowing down. The Xpovos slim wallet makes that moment feel smooth and satisfying with its slide-to-pop-up design. A light thumb push lifts your cards instantly, giving you lightning-fast access wherever you are. Built from aircraft-grade aluminum, this minimalistic RFID wallet holds up to 7 cards and slips into your pocket without bulk. The money clip keeps your cash secure, while the RFID blocking layer protects your data from unauthorized scans. Its slim, modern metal build features a raised texture and soft-feel silicone accents for daily comfort. Packed in a premium gift box, this men's credit card holder is perfect for carrying cash, cards, IDs, or business cards. There are moments when you just need a quick tool that handles small jobs without weighing you down. The CIVIVI Polymorph Multitool brings that feeling of instant readiness with a compact build that stays fun to use. It features a sharp 9C118 MoV utility blade, a rotating steel screwdriver with 6 heads, a slotted screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, a hex wrench, and a built-in bottle opener. The titanium carabiner clips easily to your keys, pocket, or pack, and the set includes 3 extra 9SAR18 MoV replacement blades for long-term use. Built for everyday convenience, this multi-tool is perfect for opening packages, tightening screws, quick fixes, and popping a bottle when the moment calls for it. Sometimes you just need a steady spot in the car to work or eat without the hassle. The GiftmiyHime car tray table turns your vehicle into a comfortable mini desk with a smooth setup that feels effortless. This car desk for laptop use features 2 risers for 3 height levels, an anti-slip pad, and a 360-degree rotating cup holder table. It fits Teslas, EVs, and most vehicles, but you must check that your cup holder is round and standard before buying. Non-slip pads keep your laptop steady and protect the tray from food spills. The checkerboard design with leather wrap adds a premium look, and the aluminum alloy build supports up to 11 pounds. Perfect for working, eating, or holding everyday essentials on the road. When fast fixes are needed, a small, dependable tool does the job. The TISGOOG EDC multi-tool brings that ready-for-anything feeling with an ultra-light titanium alloy build that's 40% lighter than stainless steel, yet just as strong. This EDC pocket tool includes a small, adjustable spanner wrench, a pocket screwdriver with a press safety lock, a window breaker, a bottle opener, and a laser-engraved measuring ruler. Its wrench-cum-caliper teeth add grip for bike repair or daily tasks, and each tool locks securely in place for safer use. The keychain hole design makes it easy to carry on a key ring, backpack, or belt. Perfect for everyday repairs, outdoor tasks, and emergencies. Quick access to power and internet without juggling devices. The GlocalMe UniCord charging cable brings that freedom with an innovative 3-in-1 design that works as a 65-watt fast-charging cable, a Type-C connector, and a 4G Wi-Fi mobile hotspot in over 200 countries. After downloading the GlocalMe app, you can register for 1 GB of data per month for 3 months and connect up to 2 devices at once. This 3.2-foot USB-C cable includes a USB-A adapter for wide compatibility across phones, tablets, and laptops. Perfect for travel, it keeps your devices charged and online wherever you go. Sometimes you just need reliable power and light without carrying a heavy setup. The Buddie power bank makes that easy with a compact, lightweight design built around an interchangeable battery and snap-and-swap modular tools. You can attach or detach extensions in seconds, giving you a bright camping light, Type-C output, universal charging extension, and more whenever you need them. With PD 20-watt fast charging, it keeps your devices powered quickly on trips, hikes, or during emergencies. The swappable battery system lets you extend usage time by replacing the battery instead of waiting for a recharge, making it more flexible and sustainable than traditional power banks. Perfect for outdoor use, travel, and everyday on-the-go charging. A simple place for snacks and drinks without taking over your living room. The Tinamo Acacia arm table brings that comfort with a wooden sofa armrest tray made from natural acacia wood and a polished finish that adds warmth to your space. This clip-on tray fits wide couches and creates a space-saving side table for eating and drinking, keeping remotes and devices within reach. Its foldable legs let you switch between a stable armrest tray, a serving tray, or a decorative display. Spring-loaded hinges and wide leg support keep everything secure, while the soft pad protects your sofa. Perfect for holding snacks, drinks, and everyday essentials right by your side. A gentle, directed light that lets you read without disturbing others. The DEWENWILS book reading light delivers that with a 3000 Kelvin warm white LED that's brightness adjustable and perfect for night reading in bed. This portable book light clips easily onto books and doubles as a bookmark. Its 315-degree flexible holder and 90-degree swiveling LED lens let you bend the light to any angle without constant repositioning. USB rechargeable. It powers up in about 1.5 hours and lasts up to 8 hours. Lightweight at 1.38 ounces, it's ideal for books, magazines, bedtime stories, or even as a mini flashlight during travel or power outages. Sometimes you just need a reliable, stylish way to stay hydrated on the move. The SANDJEST glass water bottle combines safety and design with borosilicate glass wrapped in a silicone sleeve and a convenient straw lid. With a 20-ounce capacity, it's perfect for coffee, tea, juice, or iced drinks at home, at the gym, or during travel. The wide-mouth design makes cleaning easy, and the straw lid ensures effortless sipping. Lightweight yet durable, it's practical for everyday use while adding a modern touch to your routine. Ideal for girls and women, this glass drinking bottle is also a thoughtful, stylish gift for friends or family. When tough materials need slicing, this tool gets it done fast. The NedFoss automatic utility knife delivers that with a premium aviation aluminum body and ergonomic carbon fiber inlay for a comfortable, non-slip grip. This heavy-duty pocket knife features a retractable box cutter with a sliding lock for safety and comes with 10 replaceable SK5 carbon steel utility blades, compatible with NEBO blades. The nearly no-tap blade holder ensures stability, while the money clip and keyhole make it easy to carry. Perfect for DIY projects, home use, or work, it effortlessly cuts cardboard, rope, leather, carpet, and more, and makes a great gift. Ever wish your watch could keep up with every adventure on and off the trail? The SUUNTO GPS sports watch brings that vision to life with a 1.5-inch AMOLED touchscreen with a crown, dual GNSS, and 32 gigabytes of global offline maps. Lightweight yet powerful, it tracks over 115 sport modes, provides training metrics and recovery insights, and offers refined heart rate accuracy. Endurance athletes benefit from climb guidance and smart SUUNTO coach features, while the battery lasts up to 16 days or 55 hours in GPS mode. Comfortable for everyday wear, it also controls music and tracks sleep, perfect for trail racing, endurance training, and staying on top of daily life. Ever wish all your devices could connect effortlessly through a single hub? The DockteckExpand Multiport adapter makes that possible with a 7-in-1 USB-C design featuring a 100-watt PD fast charging port, 4K 60Hz HDMI, 1 gigabit per second Ethernet, 2 USB 3.0 ports, and SDTF card readers. Perfect for MacBooks, iPads, HP, Dell XPS, and more, it supports high-speed file transfers, smooth video output, and reliable network connections. The HDMI port delivers crisp 4K visuals, while the PD port powers laptops and tablets without interruption. SD and TF slots read simultaneously at speeds up to 104 megabytes per second. Ideal for work, gaming, presentations, and expanding device connectivity anywhere. Keep your devices powered anytime without juggling multiple cables or adapters. The rolling square Keychain charger cable solves that with the InCharge 6 universal 6-in-1 design, combining Lightning, micro USB, USB, and USB-C connections. Its patented design lets you charge and sync simultaneously, quickly transferring data from your phone, tablet, or other portable devices to a PC or laptop. Lightweight and portable, the magnetic keychain design snaps together for easy carrying. Built with zinc aluminum alloy housing, TPU cable guard, and braided copper wires, it's ultra-durable and reliable. Perfect for charging virtually any device on the go while keeping your cables organized and ready. Stay on top of your oxygen levels and heart health without interrupting your day. The Wellue O2 R-Ring S oxygen monitor offers continuous all-day tracking of SpO2 and pulse rate with a compact, comfortable ring sensor. It's upgraded chip samples at 200 Hz, storing up to 4 sets of 10-hour data, which sync automatically to the free PC and mobile app. A vibration reminder alerts you when levels exceed preset thresholds. Rechargeable with a 24-hour battery life, it provides real-time readings and detailed reports in PDF and CSV formats. Perfect for daily health monitoring, fitness tracking, sleep analysis, and keeping vital records easily accessible anytime, anywhere. When darkness strikes, you need a flashlight that works as hard as you do. The NEBO SLYDE King flashlight delivers versatility with high lumens, a rechargeable cob work light, and an LED flashlight in one. It features 7 dimmable modes, including 2000 lumen high and red flash for emergencies. Use the 4x zoom for a focused spotlight, or extend to a floodlight with a built-in cob work light. Its magnetic base allows hands-free use, and a waterproof IPX7 rating ensures reliability. Power memory recall and USB-C charging make it easy to operate. Perfect for camping, hunting, mechanics, and any task needing bright, durable, and flexible illumination. Keeping your phone secure while driving shouldn't be a juggling act. The Ryvlan magnetic vacuum phone holder makes that effortless with a military-grade MagSafe car mount and upgraded vacuum suction cup. It grips dashboards, windshields, and smooth surfaces with 98 pounds of suction and locks tighter the bumpier the ride. The 360-degree adjustable joint lets you set custom viewing angles for GPS, calls, or content creation. Supercharged magnetic force holds iPhones and Samsung smartphones securely without interfering with signal or MagSafe charging. Compatible with MagSafe and non-MagSafe devices, it includes a free adhesive pad and magnetic ring for maximum versatility. Perfect for safe, hands-free driving or mobile filming. Never be caught without your essential medication when you're on the move. The PPFISH EDC small pill case offers a compact, portable solution with a unique top keychain design for quick attachment to keys, backpacks, or pants. Made from durable aviation-grade titanium, this mini keychain pill holder is ultralight at just 30 grams and fits easily in pockets, purses, or bags. Its waterproof construction keeps pills safe and dry, even underwater. Beyond storing emergency meds like nitroglycerin, it doubles as a multifunctional EDC tool with bottle opener and pry bar features. Perfect for travel, everyday carry, or staying prepared anywhere life takes you. Imagine controlling lights and appliances without ever touching a switch. The SwitchBot Smart Switch Button Pusher makes that possible with a Bluetooth fingerbot designed for rocker switches and one-way buttons. It installs in seconds with a 3M sticker, no tools needed, and lets you automate lights, coffee machines, air conditioners, or garage doors. Use the app to set timers, control devices within Bluetooth range, or pair with the SwitchBot hub for remote access and voice commands via Alexa, Google Assistant, Siri, or IFTTT. Now compatible with HomeKit via Matter, it brings effortless automation and convenience to your home. Perfect for smart homes and hands-free control of everyday devices. Stay germ-free on the go without harming the planet. The PURELL Advanced Hand Sanitizer Kit combines effectiveness and sustainability with refillable aluminum bottles, 2 fluid-ounce travel-size bottles and 24 fluid-ounce refill. Made with 100% plant-based alcohol and 93% bio-based content, it kills 99.99% of germs while keeping hands soft with gentle moisturizers. The durable, leak-free aluminum bottles are TSA-friendly and reduce single-use plastic by 67%. Each kit provides up to 12 refills, letting you refill, reuse, and carry sanitizer wherever life takes you. Perfect for travel, everyday use, and eco-conscious hand hygiene without compromising protection. Sometimes you need a compact tool that can handle big tasks without weighing you down. The Big Idea Design Wrench delivers just that, a pocket-friendly titanium wrench inspired by full-size antique Swedish adjustable wrenches. Made from solid graphite titanium, it combines strength, durability, and everyday carry convenience. The deep carry titanium pocket clip gives it a knife-like profile, while its intuitive adjustment design ensures a firm grip on bolts. Despite its small size, it performs like a full-size wrench, ideal for on-the-go repairs and DIY projects. Perfect for EDC enthusiasts, handymen, and anyone who wants a practical, durable, and portable wrench built to last a lifetime. Thanks for staying through the roundup. These 20 EDC essentials are all chosen for their real-world impact and solid performance. If any of them match what you need, check them out while they're available. More practical gear lists and everyday solutions are on the way, so keep an eye out. If you liked the video, consider subscribing and sharing it with someone who loves useful tools. Stay prepared, stay organized, and take care of the small things that shape your day.